halika. You look worried, Mai. You're safe here.
I can't tell anyone. Please don't tell my parents. They would be so angry.
Mai, you're not a bother. You're safe here. Can you tell me what happened?
It was my uncle. He came to visit for New Year. My parents weren't home. He locked the door.
If they know, my family, they'll say it's my fault, that I brought shame. I'm taking up your time with this.
I understand. It sounds like you're more afraid of their reaction than what he did. Mai, hear me clearly. What happened is not your fault. You did nothing wrong to deserve it.
I should have been more careful. It's my burden. If a girl brings shame, she's sent away. My cousin, she's sent away. She vanished.
My job is to protect you. That means helping you heal and making sure no one can hurt you again.
But if you tell, everyone will know. The shame will spread.
The law requires me to report this, but that report is a tool to protect you, not shame you. I'll be with you with every step. You won't face this alone. Ethical care isn't only about following the law. It's about listening, about weighing dignity against a system that can feel more like a threat than a promise of safety.
Mai, when you're ready, we'll take your statement. It will just be us, no one else.
Mai, we'll go together.